is metal music. I'd like to share with you some point of second movement from Sonatina, Op.55 C Major by Kuhlau. When you see some point of the music, of course that helps you to understand the music. At the same time, you start conversing with the music, and that is a fantastic experience. I'm hoping this video helps you a lot. Thank you. This is the first page of the second movement. I'd like to mention 5 points. First, this music starts from behind of the beat. That means you start from 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. So this G is the first beat, which you make a point of. Second point, you have staccato. So make sure where you have staccato. Third, you have slur. When you see 2 slurs, please disconnect after the first slur. So this B and A don't connect. This A has a fresh new sound. 4. You play same melody 2 times. That means you shouldn't play at the same way. Luckily, you see piano, you see forte, so change the sound. And the last point, you have G, and that move to A, that move to B. So you have crescendo. After the crescendo, you see piano. So change the sound dramatically after this major. That makes music so great. I'd like to play from the beginning. So you start counting from 1, 2, 3, 1. Crescendo. Retouch. Crescendo. Diminuendo. This last C sound should be very sweet, because when sound going up, you have crescendo, but when sound is going down, you have diminuendo. And this is a C major, so C is very important sound. So this C is very sweet. And you have forte. 1, 2, 3. Crescendo. Diminuendo. And the piano. Make sure you have F sharp. Next you have G sharp. So sound became minor, and you have piano. So change the sound dramatically, going to piano. This is the second page of the second movement. The sound is just going up and up and up and up to this G. So have crescendo going up to this G and stop. And you are coming down. And you have theme. So make sure the place you had on first and second lines. And from third line is a completely different music. That means stop yourself on G and relax and start this E so that you can have completely new fresh sound for this theme. And you have high E. After this movement, you are going to go to the next section, which is very sweet. So you need to change your mind when you come from second page to third page. So the C, there are two C's, so between C, here is very important. The C, the last note is very sweet C, and that connect to the third page. Here is the second page. And slow down a little bit. Piano. And you have theme again. You start from forte. 1, 2. And piano. Very pretty. This is the third page of the second movement. You see dolce and pedal. So this first and the second lines should be very sweet. And the slur became long. So when you play this first and the second lines, make sure you have E and E. E and E. This E is the last note of the slur. This E is the first note of the slur. So you need to change the E sound. So like as you speak, one sentence is done, new sentence starts, and a new sentence starts again. So imagine you are having a conversation. Here is how first and second lines sound. 1, 2, 3. After the dolce part, you have staccato again, and short slurs, and theme again from here. So this line is a very short transition between this dolce and theme. Enjoy this very pretty part with pianissimo. 1, 2. Crescendo. B, C. Little bit crescendo and diminuendo again. This is the last page. We notice the chord is changing. You have B flat, F sharp, and back to C major, and crescendo, and finish with the fortissimo.